Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add curriculum expectations to your Brightspace class. So I'm going to start by opening up my class, and I'm going to use my grade 10 learning strategies class as an example. And then once I'm in the class, I'm going to click on course admin, and I'm going to scroll down until I see assessments, and I'm going to click on expectations. And then I'm going to click on Import from Achievement Standards Network. So what this is doing is it's accessing curriculum across Canada and across many other areas like the States. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to find Ontario, and there is a French option if you need it. And then I'm going to select my subject, and learning strategies is under guidance and career education. So this is basically me looking up my curriculum document. I want the grade 9 and 10 curriculum. And then I'm going to scroll down and see the courses that are available. So there's a couple different ones available. I want learning strategies, and I'm going to click the drop down. Now, if I click this first one, this will pull in every expectation, both the overall expectations and the specific. If you are brand new to expectation-based assessment, you probably want to start with the overall expectations first and then add the specific ones later on, once you've had a chance to get used to it. Otherwise, it can be a bit overwhelming. So I have my different strands, and I'm going to go through and start choosing all my overall expectations. And you'll notice they're listed overall and then the specifics that go with it. So you have to sort of scroll through and make sure that you don't miss any as you go along. And I'll do this for each strand. And then when I am finished, when I've got all the ones I need, I'll click Import Selected Expectations. And now the expectations I've chosen are in here. They're organized by strand, which is useful. And then it gives me that they're listed as 3 overalls per. And you can see I've just added the first 2 sets of overall expectations. So if I want to add more later, or I want to add my specific ones, then I'm going to come down to Add Expectations and go through, and I can add things in here. Or I can come back up here and I can import more of them straight from the curriculum documents. So there you have it. That's how you can add your expectations to your Brightspace class.